Right now, I'm going to show you how you can transfer notes from one device, from one iPhone to another. I'm going to cover the two most common scenarios. So let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So the first scenario is that you have your phone and someone else's, both running or sign in with a different Apple ID. Right, so you can check it out inside of the settings. At the top, I have different account than in there, right? And in this case, you cannot sync them over iCloud or anything, and you have to actually share the notes manually. So you can go to a note like this, you can open it up as such and click on the share button at the top, and you can use, for example, AirDrop. Since it's between iPhones, you can click on AirDrop. The other phone should be available, right, as long as you have it set up properly, right? For me, it already showed the screen, and I can click on accept in there and it should be moved over. If not, you can kind of redo it again. Sometimes it might fail, right? But that's the whole point. It normally works, so you should have the ability to get it over like that. And if it doesn't work, you probably need to kind of restart it, but you can see that the functionality is different, definitely there, right? So that's how you can basically do this for different devices. Obviously, you have also more options. You can click on export right there, and you can kind of export the notes in a different format, right? Like this, and you can save it to your files and share it over as this exported file, right? So it depends as well. But you also have the ability to sync your devices over iCloud. If both iPhones are using the very same Apple account, you can see right there that I have a few devices like an iPhone, iPad, and another iPhone, right? If I want to sync it with this iPhone 12, all I have to do is be in this section and go to iCloud and make sure that the notes syncing is enabled. I can do the very same thing on the other iPhone, and then all of the notes which are part of this iCloud folder are also going to appear on this other device. So if I have any notes locally stored, I can hold it down on this one and click on move and make sure that I put it into the iCloud, right? And if I put it to the iCloud folder, it will be uploaded to the cloud, and then it will appear on this other device. So that's how it would practically work. I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.